Hi guys, my name is Rubel and this is my colleague Maj. Today we're here to talk about our door samples at Net Kitchens. First of all, I'll be speaking about our German ROTPUNKT range. As you can see, this is an extensive range available here at the back here. One of the unique features about ROTPUNKT is the first 24 doors in our racket over here is actually the internal carcass colors that we offer to our clients. It's a pretty large range to offer compared to our competitors, which is amazing for our clients. The unique features about ROTPUNKT is they offer so many different type of doors, whether it's a wood effect door, laminated wood effect door, or whether it's a high pressure laminate door, or whether it's a concreto style door, or if it's just a plain door or even a painted door. ROTPUNKT is able to cater towards everyone's needs.
Come visit us at Net Kitchens Direct, Unit 14, Walthamstow Business Centre, E17 4SX. We have free parking outside. We can have a nice cup of coffee whilst we discuss your plans.